Hi, it's Dave from SuperPro here today to talk to you about a new lower control arm we've just released. It fits the X-Trail T31, it does the Dualis, does the Koleos. It's a great new arm available in our range. Of course, it comes with the SuperPro vertical pivoting bush. Now that's the wear point on these vehicles. You get a bit of an oil leak, you get some road grime on there, you just get some miles on the car, that bush wears out. As soon as that bush wears out, it loads up the locator. Now the locator normally doesn't take any load until that one's go. The problem with that locator bush, it's virtually impossible to press it in and out. You try and press it out, you run into the arm, you've got issues. The best option, replace it as an arm. So if you've got one of these vehicles, it's feeling a bit loose in the front end, go to the SuperPro website, go to our dealer locator, plug in your postcode, find out the nearest SuperPro distributor to you, give them a call, get yourself a new set of lower control arms today.